Is where we start. Mental health treatments such as Adderall, Xanax, and antidepressants continue to be scarce.
Well, the medication, along with a shortage in pharmacy staff, has contributed to people waiting months for their prescriptions. 2 News reporter Seth Bird is digging deeper into the delays and spoke with a pharmacist on what is behind the shortages.
Delays and waiting have been ongoing for months for medication that treats clinical depression, ADHD, and other disorders. Unfortunately, pharmacists think those delays will go on for a while.
We understand how frustrating and how kind of difficult the situation is.
That is the message Kettering Health's clinical pharmacist Nicole Thomas shares on behalf of prescribers and pharmacists to those waiting for medication they need. Thomas says an increase in those diagnosed with depression or anxiety during the COVID-19 pandemic has played some part, along with top manufacturers of antidepressants dealing with shortages in labor.
Some relaxed government regulations regarding the ability for prescribers to diagnose and prescribe via telehealth, so kind of increased number of diagnoses in that regard.
In addition, government regulations on the amount being produced, all of this leading to shortages of the main drugs that treat anxiety, depression, and ADHD.
Then when the Adderall became short, people would get moved over to alternative treatments like Vyvanse and Concerta. And so it kind of snowballed from, rolling on from one to another until, unfortunately, now they're kind of all difficult to find off and on.
Thomas says symptoms people can experience because of not receiving their medication can range from flu-like symptoms to life-threatening seizures. She also shared some tips for people while waiting for their medication to come in.
Active about looking for inventory, knowing exactly what products are covered by your insurance will really help us help you.
Thomas also told me it's important to give your pharmacists and prescribers as much notice as possible when ordering medication. In studio, Seth Bird, 2 News.
All right, thank you.